Hi all, today we've got the PMR peanut rider, little hot air engine, Stirling engine, just lit the flame, and I've never had it work anything before, and when it's warmed up I'm going to see if it's got the gumption to run this Jensen 100 workshop. Alright, I'll come back in a little while when the little peanut rider has warmed up. Okay, back again. It's been a few minutes, so if it's going to run it, it should be ready to run it now. Haven't had a test run, so I don't know if it's going to be able to do this or not, but here we go. Oh, what a surprise. It's not a speed demon, but little popcorn engine from PMR is definitely running with ease, it looks like. The Jensen 100 workshop. Hammer's going a bit slow, but it's turning. Sword winch. Shape on there. Wheels turning. Well, there we go. The little PMR peanut rider and a Jensen 100 workshop. As always, thanks for watching. Bye now.